Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll explain another SQL problem that is asked from Microsoft during data engineer interviews. They ask what is difference in between row number, rank, and dense rank. These are the SQL window function and used for the ranking of row, but they behave differently when they are ties or the duplicate records. So let's understand how they would work with the duplicate records. We have employee salary table here, and in this table you can see we have employee name and salary. In this table, just I'm assigning all these wi- three ranking function: row number, rank, and dense rank. So first let's understand how the row number would work. So in a row number, it will assign all unique number for the all row, even with the duplicate records. Okay, and in rank it will assign same value for the duplicate records, but it skip rank after the duplicate. And in dense rank it also assign the same number for the duplicates, but we don't get any gap in between ranking. Now I'm going to write the query, and I'll show you how the row number exactly working: row number, dense rank, and rank. So row number over order by salary descending as row number. So next for the rank, mm, then dense rank, dense rank, dense rank. So let's see how these three functions are assigning the rank. This table we have max salary is 18K. All these the ranking function are assigning the first rank for this number. For next we have 70K for the employee B and employee C. It means employee B and C both are getting same salary 17K. So in a row number, employee B getting second rank. In a rank also he getting second rank, and dense rank he also he getting second rank. But in a employee C with the same salary as to B, in a row number it's getting 3, and in a rank getting the same rank as 2, and dense rank also it's getting same rank as 2. But in a uh, in a next row we have employee D, and employee D salary is 60K. So in a row number, employee D getting the fourth rank, and in rank function employee D getting fourth rank. You can clearly see we have a gap in between. It means we have in between gap 2 and 4, it should be 3, but we the rank function is skipping one row because it's appearing two times 17K. So it assigning second, but it's counting how many uh, times duplicates are we have. So it's skip that number only. But in a dense rank, you can see clearly we have the third rank. It means for the duplicate records we have getting the same records, but we don't have any gap in between next rank. Okay, so the main ideology in difference in between row number, rank, and dense rank, you can see clearly. And if this explanation helpful for you, so please do not forget to do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.